Outstanding design defines the 2011 Nissan Sentra. This four-door, five-passenger sedan leads among competitors in its segment. Nissan prioritized comfort and style by including a trip computer, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.